Hello, and thanks for joining this hands-on demo for Tiering to the Cloud with the File Management Appliance, or FMA, and Atmos Cloud Storage. This is Frank Murphy with EMC, and over the next few minutes we'll see how this solution will address the challenges of explosive data growth. So, let's get started. What challenges are we seeing with unstructured data growth in file systems? First, there's lots of it. Whether it's created from social media and collaboration applications to high-performance R&D analytics, unstructured data is growing faster than ever and it's getting more difficult to manage. Also, over time that data often has little business value and basically gets stale quickly. And lastly, from the sheer size of what's often stored on Tier 1 NAS systems, this data is getting more and more difficult to back up successfully, where backup windows can be missed. File tiering to the cloud can help address these challenges by using policies to reduce the management complexity and overhead of maintaining all this content, and since 70% or more of this unstructured content is often static, automation can align business value to how that data is managed based on its use. And lastly, the sooner you start shrinking your overall primary storage footprint, the sooner your backup and recovery processes will improve, and you'll also lower your overall storage costs. So, let's see an illustration of FMA and Atmos together. In this demo, we'll see the solution through the point of view of two key groups in any sized company. On the left, we have end users. For our example, they'll be users that access content from two different CIF shares, one for marketing, one for engineering. And on the right, we'll see things from the IT admin's perspective. They're responsible for serving those files from, in this case, a fully virtualized EMC Solera, shown here at the top, which is connected to a fully virtualized FMA, shown here on the right, and both of which are networked to a private cloud deployment of an Atmos system. In this case, we'll use the Atmos Virtual Edition, which runs on any ESX compatible storage and is deployed here in two different sites but managed as a single cloud entity. So first up, let's begin with the foundation of the Atmos cloud. Then we'll see how FMA and Atmos work together with the Solera to reduce that primary storage footprint, which in turn saves cost, improves efficiency, and simplifies the life of IT and storage admins, and is also transparent to our end users. So again, let's start at the foundation here, and we'll log into Atmos as the system admin, or the sysadmin. And as a cloud architecture, Atmos is managed as a single entity, and from this console we can see a single pane of glass management into our entire infrastructure. And to give you a sense of how the physical components in Atmos are related to the logical construct of secure multi-tenancy, again a cloud architecture, from the system management console, let's drill down to the first of the two nodes, or resource management groups, or RMGs, in this configuration. So first, let's look at things from the physical perspective, the storage nodes. So, if you recall from the Atmos cabinet diagram a few minutes ago, the nodes can either be physical servers at the top of the appliance cabinet, or they're virtualized as virtual machines in ESX. They talk via SAS to back-end SATA disks inside the physical cabinet, or in the virtual edition, they talk to a variety of supported backends. Now let's look at things from a logical perspective in the concept of tenancy. Again, since Atmos is a cloud storage architecture, it's unlike traditional storage systems where LUNs or RAID groups or pools need to be configured before presenting them to a host as usable. With Atmos, all that provisioning is automated via policy and the various data services inside the product. So what actually gets provisioned is access to the system through this construct of tenancy.